Moving on now, let's talk about an unmistakable pattern from Delhi to Kerala. Days after pro-Hidma slogans echoed at India Gate, another such case has emerged from Kerala. A shocking case. Two convicted bombers, men who hurled a bomb at a police vehicle, were given a red carpet celebration outside a court in Kannur. CPIM activists chanted, cheered and showered revolutionary greetings after these men were sentenced to 20 years in jail. These are no ordinary people. They hurled a bomb at a police vehicle in 2012 and yet they were celebrated like heroes. Let's in fact tell you who these bombers are. Nishad, the first accused, is the LDF candidate from the Vellore ward of Payanur municipality in the 2025 local body elections in Kerala. He is also a DYFI district committee member and Payanur block secretary. Nandakumar from Vellore is the second accused in the case, and they were handed a combined sentence of 20 years rigorous imprisonment under several serious charges. In 2012, this duo hurled country-made steel bombs on a police vehicle following the arrest of then CPIM district secretary in a murder case. Luckily for the officers, the bombs did not explode and there were no injuries.
अब एलडीएफ के उन लोगों को क्यों सजा हुई, ये जो कि वो लोग मानते हैं कि गलत सजा हुई है, इसलिए शायद इस तरह का काम किया गया। लेकिन उन्हें ऊपर की कोर्ट में अपील करनी चाहिए और कोशिश करनी चाहिए कि जिन लोगों को सजा हुई उन्हें न्याय मिले। लेकिन इस तरह का पब्लिक में न्यूसेंस पैदा नहीं करना चाहिए।
We have Arpita joining us on the broadcast with more details. This was shocking, the development of giving a hero-like treatment to the convicts.
Well, like this, rightly said, this is not the first time that CPM has done something like this. Earlier also there have been instances where CPM members have greeted and celebrated when CPM leaders were convicted for other terror attacks. Now this one pertains to 2012 attack where they had hurled a bomb against police officials. Luckily they survived, but since then the case has been going on, and 2 days back the court had given them 10 years of imprisonment and a fine on against both of them. Now remember, one of the members, Nishad, is also a candidate from the Payanur constituency in Kannur. He is contesting for the local body elections. One question that has been raised by BJP and Congress is that CPM leaders were aware that the case will be taken up soon. It was known that they will be convicted. The punishment was it was not known how many years of punishment will be given, but it was very clear that they will be convicted. Now, in spite of knowing all of this, why did CPM keep Nishad as a candidate from the Payanur constituency is something that BJP is questioning. Not just that, even after they were convicted and they were leaving from the Kannur jail, clearly the visuals show they were leaving the jail premises, they were leaving the court premises smiling, and then you could see CPM activists there, CPM leaders, local leaders there who were greeting them, hailing them. They were saying that these leaders have sacrificed for the party and that is why they were hailing them. Now, this is not the first time. Even earlier, when CPM had done this, they had justified it, saying that it was a brave.
You know, earlier also, you're right, Arpita. We saw posters of convicts or posters of murderers being displayed during a rally. So this is not the first time that the left has resorted to this. Arpita, stay on with us.